Now that we have our butterfly flying out across the screen, we want him to shoot, and the way that I programmed it is the butterfly should shoot when he gets right around here in this area. And we'll go ahead and play the original game here so that we can get an idea of how that works. We have our butterfly flying out, nothing's happening until he gets to about right here, right? Then he shoots right there at half of the screen. And so when we're over here, let's make that happen as well. And I guess the one way that we can do that is we can say when I receive. So we go under events. When I receive this butterfly 1 signal, then I'm going to wait for, let's say, 3.5 seconds. And I'm going to broadcast another message called butterfly 1 shoot. 1 shoot. Okay. And this message is going to broadcast to this bullet here. And when let's do a green flag clicked under looks, I'm going to hide the original bullet. And under events, when I receive butterfly 1 shoot, I am going to motion, go to the butterfly 1, and I am going to point towards the bird. Ooh, where are you, bird? Oh, okay, right here. Point towards the bird, and I am going to move 10 steps, right? But I'm not just going to move 10 steps. I want to keep on moving until I hit the edge, right? So I'm going to go ahead and come over here and say repeat until under sensing touching edge. Right? Move 10 steps. So since he's pointing towards the bird, if I move 10 steps, that means I'm going to move more and more towards the bird. Right? So this is going to make it move forward, and then once he touches the edge, it's no longer going to move forward. And that's when I want to go to looks and say hide. All right? Let's go ahead and see if that works out. So the butterfly should shoot out a bullet. No, he did not. Okay, so let's see here. When I receive butterfly 1, wait, and then broadcast. This one is when I receive the shoot 1. Okay, so what I forgot to do was show, right? So remember, the original bullet is hiding, and so when I receive the broadcast signal, I'm going to need to show, do what it is I'm going to do, and then hide when I hit the other edge of the screen. Right? So let's go ahead and try that again. And the butterfly should shoot when it gets right about here. Ooh, no bullet. Oh, there we go. Okay. So I think the problem here is that our butterfly is flying too fast. Okay. So let's come back over to the butterfly and change X by, let's do -2 instead, because he was flying quite fast. And then let's try it again, because that will give enough time for the bullet to appear. Ooh, but since I changed the amount that the bird flies to the left, after it repeats 10, it's still touching the edge, right? Did you see that? So it appeared for a little bit, and then it deleted. Watch, I'll try it again. It repeated 10 times, but it was still touching the edge. You see that? It was still touching the edge. So the way we can fix that is we can increase that number right there until he's no longer touching the edge. Okay, that works, right? And then he's going to fire off a bullet. There we go. Excellent, right? So yeah, so I guess the challenge exercise here would be to program it so that butterfly 2 shoots and butterfly 3 shoots when he reaches that same location. But one thing you want to try to do when you're putting this together is make sure butterfly 2 shoots out a bullet number 2, and a butterfly 3 shoots out a bullet number 3.